Today I am reviewing HP 255 G10 Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and versatile laptop for both home and work, the HP 255 G10 laptop is an excellent choice. This 2025 model comes equipped with the AMD Ryzen 3 7330U processor, boasting 4 cores and a turbo speed of up to 4.4 GHz. This means it can handle demanding tasks with ease, whether you're multitasking between spreadsheets, running multiple browser tabs, streaming videos, or even light content creation. Compared to the Intel i5-1135 G7, the Ryzen 3 7330U offers impressive efficiency and performance, making it an ideal solution for anyone who needs speed without compromising battery life. One of the standout features of this laptop is its 32 GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD. This combination ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and seamless multitasking, whether you're working on large office documents, managing complex software, or simply browsing the web. The storage capacity is generous enough to accommodate all your essential files, projects, and media, giving you plenty of space without the need for external drives. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is another highlight. With IPS technology and an anti-glare coating, the screen offers bright, vivid colors and wide viewing angles, reducing eye strain during long hours of use. The micro-edge design maximizes screen-to-body ratio, giving you a more immersive viewing experience for work, video conferencing, or entertainment. While 250 nits brightness may not compete with high-end gaming laptops, it is more than sufficient for home, office, and casual multimedia use. Connectivity and versatility are where the HP 255 G10 truly shines. It features USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI, a headphone/microphone combo, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth, allowing you to easily connect external monitors, peripherals, or high-speed storage devices. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro elevates the laptop's productivity potential, offering enterprise-grade security, enhanced management tools, and powerful features like Remote Desktop and Cortana. This makes it perfect for business users who need a secure, efficient, and feature-rich computing environment. In terms of design, the HP 255 G10 is thin, lightweight, and portable, measuring just 0.78 inches in thickness. Its gray finish gives it a professional and sleek appearance suitable for both office and personal use. Despite its portability, it doesn't compromise on performance or durability, making it an ideal travel companion for professionals, students, and anyone who works on the go. The laptop also supports high-quality audio and video for virtual meetings, online learning, and entertainment. The anti-glare FHD display, combined with HD audio and a built-in webcam, ensures clear visuals and crisp sound during video calls, streaming, or presentations. Additionally, its numeric keypad and full-size keyboard make typing and data entry more convenient and efficient. To summarize, the HP 255 G10 laptop is a well-rounded machine that balances performance, storage, portability, and connectivity. With a Ryzen 3 7330U processor, 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD, a 15.6-inch Full HD display, and Windows 11 Pro, this laptop delivers everything you need for business, study, or entertainment. Whether you're a professional seeking a dependable workhorse, a student needing a reliable study companion, or a home user wanting smooth everyday computing, the HP 255 G10 is designed to meet and exceed expectations.